In this video, I will show you how to make dynamite in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and make dynamite, you can actually do this at your crafting bench. Now you can't do this at a level 1 crafting bench. You want to make sure that you upgrade your crafting bench first of all. However, once you've gone ahead and upgraded your crafting bench, the option to build dynamite will be available. So to go ahead and build this, you want to open up your crafting bench craft menu, and if you come across to the right hand side to the arrow icon, this is where you can find the dynamite. Now in order to build this, you need 1 blast powder and 3 knot root rods. To get the blast powder, you can obtain this from chests scattered around the world, or alternatively, if you come to the dry valley part of the world, wait for night time and basically you want to defeat the skeletons with the cowboy hats on, and they're going to actually drop blast powder. To get the knot root rods, you can find these in caves, and this is mainly in the grasslands. You just want to go into a cave with your pickaxe, and you can find a knot root growing out of the walls, and you can basically take this to your lumber mill and you can use that to craft knot root rods. Once you've got the required materials, just come back to your crafting bench and you'll be able to go ahead and build dynamite from here. So that is how to go ahead and make dynamite in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.